Are you like me? You've been using curry powder for years and years. You know what curry powder is, but you actually don't know what curry powder is made of. So I decided to do a little research and find out the origin of curry powder and what it's made of, what's in the curry powder that I'm using. So curry powder is a spice majorly made with turmeric as its base and one of its main ingredients, which actually gives it its vibrant yellow color. A lot of people think that curry powder originates from India, but that's because there's an Indian meal called curry, which curry powder is not even used to cook it, and also because the major ingredients used in making curry powder originates from India. But after doing my research, I found out that curry powder was actually created by the British because they wanted to replicate Indian flavors, okay, in their dish. So that's why they came up with this curry powder. A lot of different researches that I got to read online while trying to find out what is in curry powder. That's what I found. That was a major story that I found, that it was made by the British. Now there are different brands of curry powder, so you can see that there's no standard recipe nor flavor for curry powder, because people just take different spices, put together, add turmeric to make it yellow, and then they call it curry powder. So it doesn't have a particular flavor or a particular taste, because you have different brands that make curry powder and it's different. So I'm sure if you use the Ducros curry powder, which is what I use, and then maybe you use the Gino curry powder, they might be similar, but I think they'll have some differences, especially if they have different blends. Checking on YouTube, I saw people using different kinds of ingredients. Some used a lot, like some have up to like 10 ingredients, and then some have like 5, some have like 6. But I realized that turmeric is always part of the ingredients used in making curry powder. So you have turmeric, you have cumin seeds, chili, fennel seeds, coriander, black pepper, curry leaves. And yeah, when you put curry powder in your food, these are all the things you should know you're having in your meal. And you can also read the packaging of whatever curry you're using to know exactly what is in it. So I hope that this video met you well, and I hope that you've learned something what's in your curry powder that you're using. If it's your first time here, please do me well to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video.